Today's holiday gift guide is about Smart Games. Smart Games is sponsoring a giveaway with some fabulous critical thinking games that will make a great present for someone on your list. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. More holiday gift guides, and today is critical thinking games from Smart Games. We've been doing holiday gift guides all last week and we started up again this week, and it's not too late to enter. The ones from last week are ending the day after Thanksgiving, so you need to make sure you head over and go watch those videos. There's a lot of good things that you could win for your kids, and it's not too late to enter. All of the gift guides this week are extended into next week, so there's still some time to enter those, but you probably should go check them out too. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the fun, and I wanted to let you know that a lot of things I've been putting in the holiday gift guides are in my Amazon store. I'll put a link to that down below in the description box so you can head straight over and have everything in one spot. So let me show you what we have today from Smart Games. First is the Cube Puzzler Go for ages 8 and up. Cube Puzzler Go is for ages 8 to adult and also one player. There are 80 challenges in the challenge booklet that you get. They range from starter all the way up to master. And don't forget, they have the solutions in the booklet too. The game pieces come in its own storage case, and it's really simple to open. To play, take out all of the pieces and then turn your storage cube all the way over. In the challenge booklet, you pick one game that you'd like to play. I'm going to start with the easy one, and it shows you what should be on the front and what should be on the back. Carefully select each piece and place it into your game cube to solve this puzzle. My plan of attack was to conquer the front, and once I was done with that, conquer the back. Here we're working on our spatial insight, problem solving, and planning. Next is IQ Stars for 6 and up. IQ Stars is for ages 6 to adult, and it's for one player. I really like this game because it's so small and compact, and it's great for travel. I bet this would fit into my restaurant kit. There is one main game board, and inside has all the pieces you're gonna need. There are 7 stars and a booklet with challenges. In the booklet, there's 120 different challenges plus the answers, and everything fits compactly into its own case. To play, you pick a challenge that you would like to do, set up the board according to the picture. Your job is to place the remaining stars back into the puzzle so that they all fit. This one I'm showing you here is really easy, but I'm telling you, they get harder as you go along. Once you're done, you can place the game booklet right back in the case and it closes shut so that you can take it with you anywhere you want. This game is great for concentration, problem solving, and logic. Next is Sleeping Beauty Deluxe for ages 3 to 7. Sleeping Beauty Deluxe is for ages 3 to 7, and it's for one player, and there's kind of 2 levels to play, which is great about this game. It comes with your game board with 4 maze pieces that fit inside the frame. You get a castle, dragon, a knight, and Sleeping Beauty. There's also a storybook that walks you through the classic fairy tale of Sleeping Beauty, an instruction booklet that has challenges from the beginner all the way to master. The first level of play is for ages 3 and older without the dragon. You simply pick a challenge out of the challenge book and set up the pieces into your maze frame as shown in the picture. The flowers on each piece show you exactly where to put them. Once you have the castle in place, this one shows me to select the knight. My job is to get the knight from the entrance of the maze all the way to the castle doors. Once I've done that, I know I mastered the challenge, and you can even check your answer in the challenge booklet. If you're working with Sleeping Beauty, it's the exact opposite. She starts at the castle and makes her way out of the maze. For ages 5 and up, you can turn your booklet over and look for the dragon challenges. The setup is the same. You put all of the pieces according to the picture into your maze frame, add your castle, and now you have to have the dragon block off any route to get to the castle. This one is more challenging as you try to maneuver the dragon around the board to find out where he fits. Once you've blocked off any path from the entrance to the castle, you have won this challenge. This game is great for spatial insight, hand-eye coordination, planning, problem solving, and visual perception. And now for the giveaway details. If you would like to win one of these Smart Games, leave me a comment down below telling me which one you would like to win so I know which one to send you. Don't forget you have your choice from Cube Puzzler Go, IQ Stars, or Sleeping Beauty Deluxe. Then once you've done that, head over to the giveaway link that's in the description box to officially enter. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address. And as always, look for those posts around social media to score some extra bonus points like this one on Facebook, plus some other around social media. If you'd like to go back and see all of those other gift guides that I've been talking about, I'll put a playlist for you to see that down below in the description box. Don't forget to enter. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.